Hello, good people. Hope you're all well. Welcome back once again, and thanks for clicking to this channel. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you've done all that, may heavens favor you. Blessings. So today I've decided to do vegetable rice, and this is one of my best meals because it's so fast. It takes me less than 10 minutes to do all this. And so join me, let's enjoy cooking. First, I'm starting with heating up my oil, so let's wait for oil. So first I'm starting with heating my rice with oil. It's browning rice with oil. I don't know if I'm the only one who does this. Is there anyone who does this? I just like the rice burning with oil, till it turns brown, just to get some more flavor of it. It's an option, but it's a nice one. And now, because the rice is kind of brown the way I want it, it's at this point I add, this is blended garlic, ginger, and chili. I put some, and then I put turmeric, a bit of turmeric, because I want that color, the yellow color, that's what I want. I don't put too much spice of it, but from ginger, garlic, and turmeric, and maybe you can add some more spices, The good thing with cooking, it's art, you make your meal the way you want. Yes, our rice is already brown. And the aroma, I like it, yes. So we put a bit of turmeric. It depends. This is 2 cups of rice, so I'll go with like maybe 2 or 3 teaspoons of turmeric. Then we continue mixing as we burn the rice. After that, that's when now I'll add water. As I said, this is 2 cups of rice, so I think I'll put 2 cups of water, because I don't want my rice to overcook. I want to cook it like 70%, because it will still continue cooking after we add the vegetables. And this is basmati rice, it cooks so fast, so I'll just put 2 cups of water. And that one will be enough. Yes, 2 cups. And let's mix as we reduce the temperature to the lowest. Some more salt for tasting. That's enough, I think. And we cover our rice. I normally put a foil on my lid to keep that temperature low. After exactly 2 minutes, only 2 minutes, I'm back. Water is all drained. Rice looks nice. It smells amazing. And it's not fully cooked. It's like only 70% cooked. So I like it so far, actually. So we remove our rice. And then, well, these are the vegetables that I'm using. I have some onions and frozen green peas. I have some red and green capsicum. So first I'll empty my rice into this bowl because I want to use the same pot for steaming my veggies. I don't exactly cook, it's just steaming them, because I normally find if I put veggies when rice is almost done, the veggies, they don't get, you know, that flavor. So I like steaming them on the side, and then I add the rice on top. So on the same pot we put oil, and yeah, we wait for the oil to heat. We wait for the oil to heat, then we continue with our vegetables. So next we'll have some onions. Our oil now is hot, so we put in our onions. We wait for just less than a second, and we still add some more ginger and garlic and chili, and we continue. It's so hard to vlog yourself while you're cooking, you know. It's not easy. It's not easy. Oh, it's not easy. Let's wait for the onions at least to turn a little bit, not to overcook them. And then I like adding ketchup. This is a step I don't skip. It's not a must, it's optional, but it takes it to another level. So that's like 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And we mix. I don't want to add more because I don't want to kill the color of the turmeric, so it's just a little bit. Yeah, yeah, that's enough. That should be enough. Then we continue with our green peas. Oops. Oh, okay. It happens. That happens in the kitchen. It's very much common. It's a very much common kitchen drama. Yes, kitchen drama. And we continue with our mixing. We don't want to overcook, as I said. I like my vegetables crunchy, and when it's vegetable rice, I like my vegetables crunchy. So yeah. And next we add our bell peppers. It looks like a lot of veggies, but believe you me, they are not. For 2 cups of rice, it's not a lot of veggies. I like the smell. I like it. I like it. So let's steam a little bit for not more than a minute, definitely. And after a minute, our vegetables are okay. Now this is time to add the rice. I normally add the rice in batches. I put a little, I mix, I add more, I mix, I add more, I mix. That's how I do it. So let's continue. And don't wonder, wow, I like the rice. Don't wonder, I'm mixing the rice, it won't break up. Remember, this rice, it's not cooked. It's like 70%. So I'm covering it up for less than a minute. Just for the flavors to love each other, to marry each other, for the rice to be perfect. Less than a minute. And exactly after a minute, rice now it's perfectly done. Yes, as you can see. It's just I have to eat. I have to taste this. Yes, why not? Why? Ooh, one rice. I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 peas. I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how I like it. And that's how our rice has turned out to be. Veggies are still a little bit crunchy. They're not over. As you can see, actually, yes, you can see the capsicum. They'll still look crunchy. They're not overcooked. Yeah. So, yes, now it's time to enjoy this meal. Thank you so much for clicking to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this far, thank you so much. And please feel it kind in your heart to subscribe, like, comment, just like it. Look at this rice, just like it. Come on, like it. Thank you so much, and until next one, adios. Remain blessed.